What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to make some chili cheese dogs. So yeah, you're gonna need some buns, some type of hot dogs. I'm gonna be using these uncured beef franks, some shredded cheese, and some chili with no beans. Y'all, I got all of these products from Aldi. I'm gonna cook 4 of these beef franks in the air fryer. I'm gonna be using 4 of those hot dogs, so I just went ahead and put them in the air fryer. Alright, so this is beef, but there's no setting for beef. So I'm going to put them on 10 minutes on 400 degrees. You want to open your chili up, and I'm going to do this the super simple way. I'm going to put this chili in the microwave. Just heat it up till it's nice and bubbly. And the hot dogs are ready. So I'm just gonna take one of the buns, hot dog in. I'm gonna put a little bit of that cheese on there. All right, so now we're gonna take some of that chili, put it on top. The key is to make sure that the chili is nice and hot. Put a little bit more cheese. Then I'm gonna stick this back in the microwave for a few seconds just to make sure this cheese is nice and melty and gooey. And this is what you have, a nice ooey gooey melty chili cheese dog in no time. Thanks for watching.